I will give a picture of where we are in terms of integrating additive manufacturing into the manufacturing of space hardware. On our side, it's articulated around three main elements: additive manufacturing on Earth to manufacture parts on Earth for spacecraft, additive manufacturing in orbit, so how we can use these technologies for maintenance purposes in orbit and so on, and further in the future, additive manufacturing on planet, so to support the establishment of human settlements on the surface. So what made me come back is that this conference last year and this year again in the program gathers all the big players in additive manufacturing for aerospace, so what we call the primes. And also there's a good element of the supply chain and the regulating authorities. So altogether, I think it's a good mix to provide a conversation between the people who develop the technology, the people who integrate them into their products, the end users, and the people like regulating authorities or ourselves as a governmental agency who are supposed to guide industry to make sure that the products are fit for purpose. So I see the value because additive manufacturing is a relatively wide family of processes which needs coordination in terms of progressing the technology and bringing it to a point where we can have confidence in the products that we manufacture. So it really needs to be an ongoing, sustained conversation between all the different players. And having this kind of conferences where people meet, when people can ask questions, hear answers, establish a dialogue is very important and needs to be, I think, repeated in time to have really a community around integrating additive manufacturing into mainstream manufacturing.